There's our rocker all painted up. You can see where the factory had like a stone guard underneath, and we continued that all the way across. It's a little fainter because you can't get exactly whatever they had, but it's pretty close. It looks good. We're happy with it. We got a little bit of a line there for our clear coat. I mean, you can spray some stuff in there that'll kind of melt it away, but sometimes I find the clears don't necessarily last when you do that. There's the bottom of our door. Our fade line is right on the line. Our color looks to be really, really close. If you look between the fender and the rocker from different angles and whatnot, we were pretty on point. So, of course, I'm not going to shut the door all the way. I don't want the rubber hitting into the clear coat in the rocker. But you'd never know that that was smashed up. Thanks for watching. Cheers.